the cultural program. Yeah, this is the cultural program. Excuse me. Program list.
Take it.
But morning and evening it's become very cool. Winter is still very hot. I also good, but yesterday I good for my board meeting. Because this program came in afternoon yesterday. So Boxer, you have offices inside?
In the DC office itself.
Where in Boxer, but in area?
Mushalpur.
So Boxer district is in district headquarters.
Headquarters.
And we have also SP, you know. Here, because this is subdivision, we don't have SP. But the whole of the district we have SP. It's not that easy. Because even the district, he's not based here. He's based in district headquarters. But this is his, under his jurisdiction, so he's here. Otherwise, the subdivision population. I think maybe you know the name of the district, no? Pemagachal. From the district, like Pemagachal.